Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you read from the title, this is a happy birthday video. I just wanted to wish a happy birthday to Yari G. Yari G. I always pronounce her name wrong and I absolutely do apologize for it. I have been watching her since before I started a channel. Today is her birthday. Please do go over, check her out. Her link will be in my description box. She is absolutely phenomenal. She knows what she's doing with her makeup. I have watched her videos from #1 to now. She is somebody that I talk to outside of YouTube. She is the first person I told outside of family that I was going to be a grandmother. I very much adore her. She is in the middle of moving and things have been quite hectic for her. So my wish for you today, honey, is I wish that you get some much needed you time and some rest. Like I said, do go over, tell her happy birthday. I will leave a picture of this beautiful woman right here. She is gorgeous. Do go over, check her out, let her know I sent you. Make her birthday fabulous. It's nice to know when somebody else is thinking of you. So do go over, check her out. Like I said, let her know. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me in another birthday video. I greatly appreciate it when y'all take the time to stop and say happy birthday. Like I said, it really does mean a lot when somebody goes outside their way to think of somebody else. So until next time, guys, as always, you stay beautiful. I love you.